Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
I thank you now for those that who is in the media space for better and for good. God will richly bless you all. Those that are really fighting the real fight, God bless you all. But those that are fighting the fake fight, in short, the Lord will punish you all. I salute you all. They say in life, those that knows how difficult it is to get one kobo will not be happy seeing others spoiling it. I no go try to jump away from our real ways of speaking. So that is pidgin English. Because I often say it is wrong. We continue to borrow and we don't use the borrow language or whatever ways of living we borrow from a Westerner world. At the end, we don't know how to use it or to manage it. So my people, my take and my message to our brothers Stalin, Sazos, and Hunahodi and the rest, which I believe if you are in the media space, you will see them talking. So who am I talking about here now? Is this guy? This our guy here. Let me just try to play a little. This is who I'm talking about. So if you...
We cannot be intimidated. I only come here to challenge her. Thank God some of the executive council will rule her, including me, for regime with me and you for this German advice. Openly talk. I go and say go more use are commenting now on Facebook. They are commenting. Go my word now.
Just listen to
comments there now. Not be to rock us, not be that. Want to think, want to fight land grabbing. You busy sow the land to the both side along the road without the consent of your elders. And you expect me the community to be happy. I only came to challenge you as the youth chairman. When we work for you then. If any case of land grabbing against me, bring a command. Then challenge me, make me bring your own command. If I not carry market command for your matter, market will fool. For both when you beat for bush, injure all of the day.
I go leave on there. You go just hear that word, beat and injured. If you never experience how these people they maltreat people for Edo State, you're not going to understand the meaning of beat and injured. This guy, when they talk about now, when they beat people, they injure people. In forefather or a father, not get one way where they take this in at them. Produce the land where then they say so. Even in where they talk, so they forefather, not to talk of a father, they not get how they take become the people where they produced land, or they come and say that their parents say that they get the whole land where they are those states. It's unfortunate they just born them put, and their parents also they born their parents there too. If you don't witness how these people take they beat person, we want develop a whole property where you buy, you go understand why I want to rehearse for these issues. Because it pay me to see the way these people take disorganize Edo State, turn Edo State to become what it become today. The guy when they talk about now, finally travel abroad. He enter abroad. He himself don't see him now. How he day to work 1 naira, to see 1 naira for street of abroad. He don't see how he be to see $1 or $1 for abroad. He don't see him. The guy don't see him now. Some of them will run, enter abroad, where police or they themselves, by themselves, change themselves, enter abroad. They don't see the way they be to work 1 naira to come buy land. Say, not to talk of, say, you want to come mold smith. You want to come buy smith, come mold block. My reaction is this. If you dare where these people, they seize people, property, they seize people, the big layers, where you go send, go land. Make them go develop your land for you, land where you buy. You not just go there, that place now they develop them. Somebody stand, collect money, show you, say, this one are the plot when I want to sell for you. Then go sell and finish for you. These same people now will come from nowhere. They will become the whole chairman and the talking ado of that land. Can they disturb heaven and earth? My people, my reaction. This guy don't travel abroad now. He not the fee work. He not go fee by himself now work 1 naira. Say he want to go buy 1 plot of land. It's impossible. He cannot do it. He know how it is. He not fee save money. Say he want to buy 1 by 50 or 50 by 100. He can't. But when you listen to this, our guy, Stalio Sarhonahodi, he said this guy sold up to about more than 50 lands. More than 100 or something land. He said if he quote him now, say he do the same thing, he go open market for her. Waiting I they try to talk back here, waiting I see in all this matter. The thing they buoy me because if you buy land for Edo State, for you to go build the land where you buy, somebody go come collect money for development. The one way that they call a molu, the one way that they call street arba. The one way that they call different things, they will come collect money. Fence money, painting money, everything money, they will come collect them. And this guy now, he don't there abroad. He don't by himself see the whole situation. With the message where this guy give, Sados Awonahodi, this guy now, as he talk for about Obazep show, they come now to come feast those kind of things, make them not happen. But waiting I hear from this guy, Sados Awonahodi, if they come back now, he won't come back there now because he don't see and say to hustle 1 naira for abroad, they difficult. If they come back now to come reform another chairman, come they oppress people where they are abroad, where they buy land. We're supposed to develop Edo State. All Edo people were supposed to build house or build company or supposed to create one thing, one job for one another for the citizens of Edo State. All of them don't enter another state. Sometimes you'll see them out bad and go to sell land for Lagos. Lagos will not be their papa, their mama land. You'll see the other one, you go to sell land for Port Harcourt. They pack all Edo people, they go different states. Edo people not fit build house again for Edo land, where they originate from. So these people create problems, saute, then sell land. I will still send this message to the government. I want Governor Obaseki to bring these people back to book. You cannot just come out from nowhere. You stay more than even 10 land. Not be to talk of 100 lands. The way be say not be you get them. To be chairman, to become one organizer where be say they manage land or they manage the village or community where you did. It's not for your right to begin sell people land, people property. To they sell the land. Today they create wahala for the state. These are the problems where the government is supposed to focus on. These are the criminals, people that will destroy the state where the government is supposed to focus on. I know say people go they see all these things, they go through way eyes. They look for where problem not there. Instead of to focus on where the problem originate from, they go remove eye from there. This person now, I don't talk these things. You will be working for the government, and government only favor only you. What about just in favor about 10 of una? What about the millions of other people? At the end, you will come back to square one. This guy said this person sell land, saute, saute, they beat people, they kill. I don't send people, I don't see send people, I don't experience all these things. You go see people, boys go just come from nowhere. Begin tell you, say, that mate where you they miss, stop it. No miss that mate past there again. Or that mate where you miss, oh yeah, from there, leave on there. Oh yeah, go there, go pack all the hair pan. Any of the laborers who try to, maybe want to do anything there, they go use cutlass, cut all the body, use everything, destroy them. All in the name of, say, they want to collect money for land. Will not be their own. God has a way of doing things, my people. Some of you now don't enter abroad. Make una by yourself work money now, make una go buy 50 by 100 or 100 by 100. By on yourself, make una still go buy. Make somebody come be an obstacle as una still be. Because una thank God as una they confess now, una boys na still be, now still they do the same thing they go. Instead of una not to use una good office or make una use una own wisdom, tell these people not to stop. Say because true, to work 1 naira is not easy. How come una just be an obstacle to una do people, to una brothers and sisters? Government. Una wicked past devil, wicked past the government. How they say when they say talk about the Western country or other countries, go check na individual, na they invite people, na get companies, na get fabricators where people for the work. Not the government get all of them. These are the same thing where we say, as people don't still fly away from the state, where they're supposed to bring the same idea to Edo State, una not go let them develop lands. Una not go let them build land. Una not go let them build land where they use their money buy. One regime go finish. This one a chairman. Now we there now for 4 years. Now this one be chairman now. Now in this, ain't get an opportunity now to sell lands now. As in they come out, who they come back again, go come again, come back again, come they tell them the people who don't fair buy land say, look, the chairman who you follow buy, we not know him. So now you regime don't finish. So you need to come rebuy the land again. Una make una by yourself think now. This guy now don't travel abroad, make him by himself now think because when they talk and say, you just come back now, come they rearrange with him and make them go back to go reform chairman and advice again. Whereas this guy now reject it. Which was when he talk say, he can say, he no want do that thing for now. You see, and for now, underline that word. For now. So that tells you, say, if things turn the other way around, he go back to the same ways of living again. So, make una by yourself look at these things. How will Edo State now survive, or now say maybe Edo State can't develop? Where we not go to see the kind of atrocity or crimes where we they see for the land. Every day now, everybody, because okay, una not let Edo develop. Una not let the people where one can't even build house or build fabrica. Just like this our pastor. Apostle Alfred, I see one hospital where they show, they try and make the woman or the person get that hospital, they try to make open hospital there. They make and they tell us, say make it turn out to hotel, or make it turn the place, the thing, make it close the thing, if make it not function. Now only government now go build hospital. Do not become an obstacle to progress, but do not want to make money on top of where. You now don't sell the whole land finish. Now one person just sell more than 500 lands, more than 1,000 lands. Why? Still is still poor. Or you look and I say, you cannot see, don't you see that you are still poor over this still confusion that you create in the land? This guy now travel abroad now. I see him, I hear him from Abatoba say they talk. He want come back to come restore, to come repair all those things, all those wrong. And what did they talk and say? This guy, they saying they come back again. They ask him to become vice again. Then he come, they say, no, he don't want to become, he don't want to do all those things for now. Or for now. That tells you, not be say, I don't want to do it. You hear, say, he used that word for now before he come, they say, for he don't want to do it again. And they always, they wonder for all of you now. You don't make money where they say they feel give you food, they feel train your children. Why can't you now create a place, an avenue, a workshop, when it be say that place now, I be waiting, your children will come inherit. From there now, the way they come out there, go feel they take care of you and your family or those people around you that you can help. Why not focus on that? Because when you get money from the wrong way, you will begin to misuse it anyhow. I feel so ashamed and so very, very offended to hear say one guy go just sell more than 50 lands. And you don't sell land now. You don't sell land now. Check, okay, what about the children? Because after I don't sell land, now begin born children full everywhere. After all those children don't grow, wait till you can't expect those children now to take leave. The community won't they talk now. Ask me now, you know, see, say the boys won't live where be children, those days they don't become boys, they don't become man. What will those people live with now? After selling, waiting, you're not supposed to reserve, say, yes, if they grow, this is what they will embark on, or will be using to make money, either farming on it or creating a place where they can create job on. Una sell all of the truth. Sell your own future, sell the future of your born children, sell the future of your children where your children go born. Una just sell a chop. Waste time. You will see them. They throw away money for party. They waste money without thinking about future. This guy now, you run, enter abroad. When they talk about Obaze show, I see and say, they say, yes, he don't see and say to make money hard. You be not know before. This one supposed to be waiting, supposed to go straight to live video. Now begin tell all your people, say, they should quit. They should quit, you know, all these kind of things. All these things does not make sense. Because you know they feel say this thing now, say, una can't just build, okay, this place will they manufacture something. This place we build and made there for they create something. We plant all these palm tree so that when children grow, they go from there, see where they work. Nothing, no investment, nothing. Apart from to they put time for car. You they put money for car, no road where you want for drive the car, the jeep, no road where you want for driver. All of them, you drive and for poto. Only one day, food jeep where you buy for $1 million today, it go destroy. Una not just get plans. Why they say this thing basis and why they react over these things? They quit our Oba of Benin, they say, may they stop the thing. The government, they say, may they stop the thing. They still they inside, they still they do one without thinking of tomorrow. Those ones where they front, what they don't do, they do one to una. Do one to una children's children. They do one even to themselves. Today now, they themselves, they don't set their own future. Una waste they grow, instead of una to quit. Waiting they don't first say for people. Not be una brother, una senior brother, una chairman, una vice people. Not be the first sell the land. Una where they come now, una don't they enter the thing again, go they put hand again, go they resell people land. Ask yourself, you where they resell people land, now can you walk 1 naira? How come una know so to walk 1 naira, una know how difficult it is? How come una they go they sell people land where they don't buy? Somebody buy land for this person regime. For Sahunahodi regime, then he can't reach the other man regime again now. That man go say no, that this person regime are just a regime don't pass. So now my turn now. So you need to come rebuy. And you did the device then when chairman they said the whole land. You not talk. You they sign this thing they go. At the end now, when chairman don't come out, you don't come now. You can't go back again because you know all the whole land. You know people, you know the weaker people, weaker vessels where buy land. You know people will be say you feel tax. Then you go back again, go they resell these people land again. You think say these people money just fall from heaven, come meet them for hand. Some people did them and their brothers for abroad. Their sisters for abroad. Now you send their younger ones, send their people, say, go buy the land. Then you see and say, now small children, now you can't buy land from una hand, or people will not make, will not reach, now they can't buy the plot. Una can't go, they resell them again. Una will be the errant boys or errant people where go, they beat people, where they go, they resell land, where they go show them the land. Una not there when they, una chairman, they sell the land. Not be una right now to say, since they don't sell this place, make we come out our eye, come out from there. Make una go learn mechanic. Because now say when one person they send you say go sell this land, go sell the other one. He can't do una present. He said una can't sell more than 500 lands. Una not want say the land go finish. As a village, how many lands you think say go there one village or one community? One person they send all of una say Mona go send. I know say sometimes most of these boys where they send, go check that they not come from that communities. Go check those boys where they send, where they can't beat people. After they don't smoke and drink finish, then just send and say, and those ones, they still look for where to make money, where to just get 1 naira, make they take smoke or make they take chop. They go enter bush, they beat everybody, beat anything, they go. Why you will be the chairman where they know say, yeah, they born you to that land. You know what they do now, say it's wrong. You are selling the whole land and you bring strangers, make them come go, they deal with people for your community. At the end, You dey expect say when the origin or the people from that place, that community where they can't grow, those one where they see as children, where they look una that time when they drive jeep or they carry different women, una they spray money for burial or for party they go, they wear different things. Una think say those children they not go grow. As those children don't grow now, if una papa wey born una, wey fit be the John Were or the chief for the land, the ruler for the land. If to say then sell the land like this, una sure say una foresee anything they sell. You foresee up to one land sell, not to talk of 50 or 1,000. I hear when about they say, Osakuna hold the go and restricting these things. All of una they react. You can't they react. I don't want to feel bad for any of una. I don't want to feel any say maybe I can't feel pity for any of una because this whole thing, una supposed sometimes not supposed to still sit down think and say, true. You yourself can you just go out now, go hustle, come struggle past desert, come enter abroad, come work 1 naira. Then somebody you can't feel managed by 100 by 100. Some people can't come, they want to take out from you, can't resell your land. How will you feel? Or you can't do that at those states, you can't do mechanic, or you can't graduate, you can't work follow government for 35 years or 36 years. You can't work finish. The money when they give you as pension, you can't use and go buy land. Somebody can't come from nowhere, can't carry one small boy or young people that just can't sell the land for your hand. How will you feel? Una not supposed to think all these things at all. I said those states be so good. I said those states be na good. Every day una go una the same una you see those children now we don't know anything now where they una don't sell their community finish, don't put them for hunger, put them for confusion, put them for a side poto. Those children now they don't come, they say government, and the people will be the real devil, the real people who are supposed to will destroy the land. Then they still they follow now the chassis. Now they want to lead protest, go they stop land grabber. Now they want to lead, now they want to correct the same thing. Not be the same thing governments they do. When person will govern and finish for our state, he go come back again, he go become senator. Now he go come they talk with him, they oversee what they have for the land of that land where he destroy too. Are they not the same? What not be una and they learn from? If you look at today, police go come in a state. The first day where police go come, they do the right thing. Before now knew it, una way be all this land grabber, people, una way they sell the land, where know things about the land, where know Acatarians, where know newly come from abroad, who just come. Una go tell police, say, una they mark all of that to police, say, see this. Una they carry money, go they give police, say, cover for me. If they can't report me, cover for me. You they swear the police. At the end, police go come know how to make money. Police will be not know how to make money. You go see all police go come from other states, they go poor. And once they enter those states, this una land grabber, this una all of una go show police. A second police go reach. Police go they drive jeep. Police will not get keke before. He go begin drive jeep for those states. In land, he go they build duplex, they build everything skyscraper for your state. Now so now they destroy the whole things. Can't create, sell all the moat where water supposed to be passed. Our forefather, they use their bare hand dig those moats where they say that they protect you and me today, where we come into they exist today. They use their bare hand to do all these things. Una don't sell all the whole moat finish. Today na erosion go come. Una go come, they say, una go hide, una sit down. The people, una children, una brothers, una friends, una community people go start to blame the government. Government go see rain. They will carry camera, go see rain, see erosion. What you not constantly government do like that? I said those citizens, it's hard time. Make una really locate all these kind of people. These are the people to hold accountable for the destruction that is happening in Edo land. Not to come go the face government. From there now, they don't sell land finish. Wait till you go see them go come they do. They will come go the thief ballot boss. They will come go become errand boys to bad person where be say they no say not good. They will come say now this place they want to make it come governor because the money where they sell for land, small investment or small one will remain. Then and the one where government will come give them bad person will come give them. They will come they use and they can't they give to the street community boys. Because those ones don't they hungry, no job, no school, nothing. The one who even go school, no job, they wait for right, not get any hope. He not even know how he want to get money to buy medicine for mama where they sick. These same people will sell all those land. They'll still go become around boys to the politicians. And the wish of the politicians, the bad politicians, person where they know say not get plans for that Nigeria, for those states. Then go come say because this one, he don't see and say, yes, this person was a bad boy in school. He was a bad boy in social community. So this kind of person, everybody don't they fear, everybody don't they respect and say, yes, they feel gather boys. My Edo people, if you check these people where they gather people, where you know the say, where you not really check them, people who know the say, yes, this person know people. Go check the kind of how they know them. Now, just this way, this kind of way. And if you not can't look on the other way around, now they create the problems, the confusion where the state get today, where the state not get many. Now then be the real demon, the real people where destroy Nigeria for us, where destroy those states. Those states supposed to be, in short, the best, even compared to Dubai. These people, they will do everything possible to make sure, say, they're going to say this person not good. Because they don't sell land finish. So, hope not they there again. No money to get from there again. They're going to say this person not good. He not get one knowledge we want give. He not get anything we want give to the state, to the land, to the state we want to govern. Then go come tell the community because they don't get access to small money. They will come tell those same boys, say, look, and because they know themselves. Because check them now. How somebody go meet people where they develop in your own land, in your own property. You take cutlass, take everything. Hear from the horse's mouth. He talk and he say, I know how many people where don't beat. People where they you want best way buy land, they can't build the house. Una they go take cutlass, cut there, use hammer, wood till they beat all of them for no reasons. Wait till be their affairs now. Say they want to develop what they will get their own property. If now una waiting that house now, what una build now, una there now somebody come they beat you, they drive you inside. How will you feel? Can you take it? Can you people take it? How come una just they do all these things? Una not they even think say these same people. And I mean they always they ask questions. I ask police questions, say, look, you as a policeman, because I hear one man they say, if you know what the police they pass through, they not agree pay police, they not agree do this. Police now in your own money, he go trek, he go do this. I can't ask this question, say, you will be police where they carry your red eye, your pen, they go put for poor people for street. These same poor people, now the same problem where you they pass through, when that woman, that boy, that girl, where you just see maybe they manage, they drive motor, he never get money to take feed the tank of the fuel, you know, he just the driver until they cover up. Then if they drive motor for street, you carry your frustration. Where or God the top frustrate you as a policeman. Where the government frustrate you as a policeman. You carry your frustration, you go put for boys for street. But they say, now, before you pass, you must pay 100 naira. You must pay 1,000 naira. You must pay this. You must give me money, pay me money. Those boys, which work then they work? Did the government create one job for the land where we say this boy for the work or that girl for the work? He get one thing where government great for land where these boys go they work, where you as a policeman, when you know you they see that they work there, that they pay them, where they say I make you now today you as a policeman, you they create all your hunger on top of boys in the street, on top of the people in the street, on top of all the drivers in the road. How those people now not be the same pain where you they pass through, those people they pass through. And the same you as a policeman, as a soldier man, you go carry all your muscle now, you go they protect the same criminal, where it cause hunger, where it destroy your generation, where they destroy you, where it create pains in the land. Now they carry muscle, they protect these people, make people where they hungry, not unleash on them. See, same thing to you now, you will be land grabber, una will be chairman, vice chairman, whatever. Una now. Check come out now. Una don't go sell people lands begin they go they beat people, make them not develop what them buy. If the house will not build now. If somebody can't come there and say as you want to do defense, they come they tell you say you must pay. How will you feel? How will you feel? Not be the same thing. How come una go just do all this thing finish? That guy now they talk now, okay, he don't there abroad. He don't see and say it's very difficult to make money. If they come back. He talk for about show finish. He don't talk like that. He don't use math, pass down. He want can't do this, one can't do that. He want can't follow the land grabber. He want can't do this. And he come back to Sakwonokwo, they say, make this one come back to vice again. This one say, no, they do vice again for now. But they want to continue. Because he knows, say, to work $1 for abroad, €1 he had. So now they come back to Benin. Who you want on the task now? The same people where a country where you come, where to work €1 they had, $1 they had. Then you run come off for them because you know how it had. You want to come back now. The people now where you see did the same place where you did now, where you manage by land now. You want to go back now, come go the task them. Go they reset their land. You want to go they ask question. So land like this, who sell land? If once you see say who sell that land, now not be you sell land, you know sell land say not get most to reach you. You not get force reach you. You go reset the land. You go resell land. You can't create confusion. Say, make who sell the land for you. And at the same time, who sell that land and the same community now nowadays? The person where they sell land for, you think say not be the same abroad where you do enough to make money, not be that person there. So how you can't feel now say that person now go take survived? That land where of that person where you buy now, may you can't rebuy again. Somebody buy land from you about 12 million. Then they tell them they can't give you 5 million. You go sell them 5 million. They can't give you the 5 million back so that you take go pay the person. Who you be where then they give 5 million back? Now you be the God or now you be the now you create the land. Say they can't give you money. May you take go back. You don't go now. You don't see how to make money how it hard. How come when I just did this wicked? Waiting the word on. How come when I just wicked unnecessarily? How come? How come now not they even think when I just did wicked for just say wicked sake? Then when I come on now they blame government, they blame senator, they blame Buhari, they blame other person. Check what you now they do to una inhumanity, una brothers now. Even if not be the same mama, the same papa born now, the same Edo person, being Ishan, being Urobo, being Ebo, the same person, Edo people from your state. Maybe because say this, that. The same people, your own blood brothers and sisters, will not be una the punish you to work one that I had. It day easy. How come una nothing just think? Somebody don't buy and finish. Now you not be your regime for buying, buy for the other one regime. The person regime will buy for if you do, and you sometimes you will go check, you don't even share the money, share the allow money where it come out from inside, you don't collect inside. Now that you don't, that one don't come on now. Maybe you don't run, go somewhere now. You don't go somewhere, go developing, go stay. You will can't enter now. It's now your turn now to begin to check those land where they sell. They look for people where they weak, where they say not get anything, where they not get God or they not get Godfather, they not get to go help them, who go fight for them. Now you go they reset their land now. They tell them now say go back to who sell land for you. Not be my regime there for sell land. You don't know that person. You don't know. So you must come either, if you need the land, you must settle like this. If you now come out from there now, what it go be the next thing? Not be thief. Not thief. If you are not thief, you now begin go they carry one man where be say not get meaning. Where he just come, he can't tell you now say, look, if you now fit fight for me, I become governor, me I become senator, I go give you Agbero work. I go give you this position. I will give you this position. As then they give you now all those positions rich. Now not check the Edo state. Now so state is supposed to be. Edo state will be say get when you talk a population in outside the country, outside the other world. Now Edo people now get and pass. When you talk about knowledge, go see them at them. They get away with knowledge for another country. They manufacture that they produce. They worldly to the short. They are very, very important to other people. But when it come at those states, go check. When not look at those states, it's good as it be so. Because these people, there's no way these people go come back now. They want to come try to do something. Or now go be an obstacle. You go see and say, who buy land this year? Before 5-10 years, when you go come back now, say, okay, don't still gather money, may can't develop. You will come meet another new person. Those children where they that and where small, all of them don't grow now. They not just because the previous chairman, all of the way first sell land, they not make any provision for these children. These children now will not copy the same way brother first do, the same way that guy first do, with that chairman they do. Now they will copy it. They will start to check lands again. Land where your guy, where your brother, your senior brother, chairman, all of them don't chop. pass, they will come, those children don't get most now, they will start to become a problem. To the best way just come after 10 years or 20 years, we don't take suffer, gather money. It's just like the money where they say you don't work for government for 30-something years. They can't give you money, say, take this one now, your this thing, where you take pension. Go take the you now, maybe you can't take create something where be say where you feel put your head, relax. Or come create one business for yourself where you take leave as whole day John they come. Then one small boy with day small, that time will be baby that time. He go come back now, come they tell you, say, no, this plot, we know and well you must resettle. My brothers and sisters, this character, now una pave way, una don't create them. Tomorrow you can't come back now, you want to resolve them. How? Your children, boys, where you don't feel beat, where you don't see how you take live, how you take make your own. You now you want to remove food for their mouth. They don't see and say now stupidity one, now you they put them into bed. They see and say you want to remove food from their mouth. Now their opportunity be this to oppress other people. I want they themselves to think if now una work money, can't go buy land, finish. Some people, some youth for that area can't come out, can't they tell you say if you not pay, there's also 1 million. You nothing more this mate. Then go stand there. We all know what it costs to buy one bag of meat during Buhari regime now. All right from time, we all know what it worth, how much it is. Then somebody come buy about 50 bags of meat. If they pour all of them down, make it mode block or make it miss, make it begin work. You tell them, say, if you not give you 1 million, 500 million, 500,000, enough if build this house. And you then go stand, those meat go spoil. Then go stand, those driver go spoil. Then go stand, everything go spoil. And that person away want to develop in house now, you're surprised he not even get 1 million again. In own, I just say this 100,000, make it quickly do something. Since all this made first the way he pay for grant for a long time, make it quickly use and develop. So I may get house over himself. Then you can't see all those boys, those days, those children, those days now they can't stand now because they don't look on a way be vice chairman and chairman before. How now they live. Now they'll come become enemy, another obstacle to that person where buy land from chairman, from their senior brothers and sisters. They will come start from where una for stop. Who then want come tackle? And una will be the chairman and vice. Now don't set the whole land finish. Then this youth now will come. Wait, and nothing una left for this youth. Nothing una left behind for those children. And those children don't grow now. Una don't sell the whole land. Una papa will born una not sell nothing. Una people where senior, where ancestors, they don't sell anything. But una way just come now and don't sell the whole thing. And these children will grow up now and go check the government's aspect of it. You go school finish, no job, they wait. These people now nothing to take leave. Either they end up criminal or they will now go back to that way their senior brother, una will be their senior brother, chairman and vice chairman and all of them. They will go back to what they do. Waiting them, who they want bounce back on? To that plot where your senior brother, chairman, first said, they will go back to those plots, become an obstacle to developers, to people who be say they don't work, they don't go hustle for many years, hoping to say maybe they can't get shelter over their head as whole they don't catch them. Come back now, una children who una train that time, they don't become lions and tiger in the street, are waiting for any developer. Now, create problem. Allow Smith to waste. Allow all road to spoil. Allow everything to spoil. The big layers, the laborers where the guy or the woman manage, come, they can't develop, can't work for them. Una take cutlass, take cut all of them. The one una the key. Then tomorrow, you do expect anything to better for that land. How? All Edo people today now they don't run, finish for Edo State. All in the name of if you try to develop your land, your village or your community, the land grabbers, those youths, when they don't agree, they want to they want to stand as an obstacle. I want all of you to begin think. This idea of you want to sell land before you go survive, you want to sell people's land, all this land, if not be una brother, una friend or una community chairman, they don't sell all this land. Una will be the younger one way just they come now will become an obstacle to people who don't fair buy the land. Make una go check and they don't sell this land. They sell land during whether they sell land maybe 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, 1 million. They sell land that time. With that time when they sell land, where they sell that land 1,000 naira, 2 million, 10 million. Sorry for that breaking. That time when they sell those land for 12 million, for 10 million. Mona go check them. That time, 12 million, it be like 1 billion now. So now so it still be. It's like you telling somebody today, say, how much you take buy the land, self? That land, I feel give you that money we take buy, not be just 100,000. That time where that 100,000, that person use 100,000 to buy that land. For this present day, that is the same. Go calculate and at the same amount. Then it was 100,000. Now it's now 20 million. The same is just exactly the same thing. That time they tell you say go work, go find common 10 naira, you don't go see them. Go find 20 naira, you don't go see them. So still the same thing. Now go find 100,000, you don't go see them. Go find 200,000, you don't go see them. Now just still the same thing, nothing different. So the blame should not be on those people where buy the land. Make una put the blame. If una they look for where to draw money, just as I still they tell people where be say, you ready to thief, you ready to kidnap. Every day by day, you they watch news, you they read newspaper, you they see you they media, you they see people where really get money. Government, una no say they get money. Una no fit check all their names and their children's name. Make una begin go they rob all these people. And there is no way you will go to such a people's house where you know will get money. There is no way you go kidnap those people where you know will get money. Una go still go back again. You go meet that poor woman where they market. You go meet that poor man where they market. You go meet that guy where just come from abroad where they suffer too like you. You go meet her because say they drive one kind bottle where you don't know how to even get the money, the last money where you get for your life they buy. You go meet that brother where be say just they drive to you go meet that man where they farm. Now go their house, go they rob them. They tell them, say, make your hand, they make money. If it easy, why your hand not make money? Why, if your hand make money, why you can't go the thief? If other people, if the same people now can't team up, can't go the thief you, how will you feel? So instead of una to become an armed robbers to the government, to your senators, their children's children, those people who una not say be their friend where they share money together. How? Somebody is just calling in without stopping. I don't know who is that. How come we not fit just understand? Say these same people where they do layman work, where they do all those kind of job too. They still the same situation where una wait ready to thief or to kidnap. How come we not fit just look newspaper, know who be government, who be senator, who be their children, which people they make money where they chop all your money, they chop the money for the land money, make una go they kidnap them. Why not just they do all those things? The same thing applies to the same people now where they sell land. Una where be say una stay there, una small that time. Make una begin ask question. True, this land. Now that brother seller where be chairman that time. Now he seller where they drive the big motor. Now he sell all this land. Make una take una actions. Make una carry una actions now to that brother. If he get children, make una carry una action to their children. Anywhere where they go on and know say they put investment, people na go carry on the actions, go they meet them. Meet that vice chairman, meet that chairman, meet all of the secretary, meet all these people. That a no gear. That chief will be say they always like to run business with them, with boys, where they sell the whole land. Make una begin rob them, begin meet them, make una they ask them una money. Because now they sell those land. So the money where they sell from those land, they're supposed to invest them. They wait for now. Either they build companies or they build fabric, or they build the things where they say, una supposed to, as una they grow, now get where una go, they say yes. With the type rubber here, with the palmy, we dey here, with the cut palmy here, or we get there inside here with the do shoe. We dey inside here, now chairman I build here. We dey now here for the manufacture, for the turn Gary to become a blessings. Now here for the turn all this rubber to become a plastic. Now here for they do this. Now here we for the cultivate our rice and all that is. Now chairman I build here, now secretary build here. Now I know they build this place. So see now here now for the work now. That is what they're supposed to use those money they use is selling 50 land, 100 lands. They're supposed to put as investment for the unborn children. Those children will now where you still did say community. Since they're not doing, make una way their community. Leave the people who buy the land. Even if you buy and say na 100,000 take buy at that time. That's why I tell you say una no say una way just they grow. Una no say to go abroad. Far by 1987, 1988, 1991, 1992. If you hold 15,000, you go fit go abroad. 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira. Not tell you say 1 million, 100,000. Not tell you say 20,000. 15,000 naira, you go abroad. So those who buy land 1,000 naira or 10,000 naira, you supposed to respect them. Look and say na still 1 million, 2 million, 10 million, 50 million that they take buy the land. So your vaccination don't suppose if those chairmen, those secretaries not fit put those money into investing on building fabricas or creating jobs for the unborn children, the children where they born is small. Make una carry on a reaction put for Odion Were, the Enogi, the Okagele, all the people who be say sell the land. Make una carry on a vaccination and hanger on them. Not carry your hanger on person who buy the land. Who buy land? Once he don't tell you, say, yes, see my paper when I take buy the land, see who I buy the land for. As he don't tell you now, leave the person where they buy, where you can't develop alone. Make una leave the big layers alone. Now, as he don't tell you now, make una come on and go prepare. Go meet and go tell them, say, cut for our own for we. If he build house, if you no want cut for now, make una carry one part. Or three, give one room and a parlor in and a family, make them stay. Make una seize the other rooms. For ourselves, now we not get house. That's supposed to be a benefit of being in that same community. Not to now they carry on a hanger, go they put for people who can't buy land, where one can't develop. Una like the way those state be. If somebody, your parents, if they receive all your money, no fee can use and take build something down for you. Not be who you go hold. You go hold the government, or you go they hold other people. Make una carry on a vaccination. They do this program now to let una see what una not see. Una vaccination not supposed to be on the people where they can't develop. As this guy now, this chairman now, where don't go abroad now, where say one of his hand now on day. Ask him. He don't go abroad now. I'm gonna ask him now whether it's easy to make 1 naira. Make una just call and ask him now. Say, with the here say you want come back to come they do chairman. Abroad you don't reach there now. It's easy to get $1 or €1. Make una ask him. So if he say no, so that tell una say make una leave everybody way buy land, because those people now their last kobo now they still save where they want to take buy. Hoping say as they don't suffer finish for another man's land, so they will still come at those states, can still get shelter where they go stay, where their parents go stay as whole they don't they cash on them. Not for you people now to carry your hanger say during that person chairman regime now be that. So now our regime now. No, our regime don't finish. Their regime don't finish. All of our regime don't die. Our regime now is supposed to be on start to liquidate the people who sell the lands. If they travel come up for Nigeria, maybe now they wait for them. If they get investment or get number, call them, maybe now they call all of them. Look, now maybe that picking that time, I don't grow now. I see people they develop our area, our zone, our community. And this people say they don't buy the land from you. We not get business with these people. Now you, we sell the land. That time you strong, well, now you be oga. But now we don't grow now. We don't come the land and we not see anything. We not see where we want for play ball. We not see where we want for do anything. So you don't sell out finish. We here say you get house here. So we want carry the house now. That's supposed to be on our focus. Not be where now carry on a vaccination go to disturb who buy land. Who buy land not just for friend do now. Make una stop all this character. Make una stop all these things. Make una focus on these people where be say he said the land. That is the only way we'll feel eradicate all this stupidity of people doing the wrong thing. Just the same thing applies to the government. Best way be chairman. Best way be one thing for your zone, for your area. Now, tomorrow it can't finish. It can't govern or finish, or it can't do anything finish. Una wait for them. He govern or finish, he rule finish, he not do what he's supposed to do. These are supposed to be your focus. Not at the end, you can't change. Now you can't go there look for your neighbors, where you know say, this person, he not thief government, he not sell lands, he not work under any other government facilities, or not to thief anything where they the land. Now how they go struggle for another place, another country they do what he gets. So una communication, una focus supposed to be on those people where sell una this way, not use the money where take give una light, take give una good road, take give una good healthcare, take build sports center. And they always they talk how chairman go get sense. Say yes, You build, you go check who be chairman for your area. The duplex where you build, you go check where you build and put from the handy to the last, from the beginning to the last. You know, go put street light. You know, go create gutter. You know, go tie road. You know, go do anything. You go still build and for them. They look for where smooth, where better we want build put. When they wait, say government must come develop there. When you go build put. And in sell about 500 lands. You know, if you use one of the land to develop, to create anything. They create one thing down for now. They build one market. They build one hospital. They build, say, now 10 schools or one thing be this. You not use them. You go waste time for party. Now, in name, now, musician till they sing. All Ashawo, now, in name, they till they sing. All everything way bad, now, in name, now, they till they sing. They waste money. Then, they can't waste and finish. Tomorrow, he can't follow now, they sit down, say, now, he don't come get connection with the state government. He don't get connection now. Now, don't they see and say, now, ain't good. No, I want now to sit back again. Now these people now destroy now. Now destroy the economies. Now destroy our zone. Now destroy everything for now, destroy our destiny. So these are the people you're supposed to focus on. It's like they were talking about last time. I not just want to interfere to that. Or this whether Odubu, this Ronigbe, the rubber this thing. These are the same people who don't first sell everything sellable. We don't know how they sell, how they divert the whole money. Today, una youth, now no one look these people say na be the obstacle. Una remove una attention come off from all these people now. Now don't they see all these people like helper because they know how to select the bad ones, those boys will get muzzle, those boys will get power, where they feel, where they hear of, where still get names. They know how to select them, give them something. They shut their man, they convince them, make their memory to become blocked. They not will come, they see right again. Except they don't join, they hate chairman, they hate the same people. Not knowing that these people are the people who sell una destiny. Sell waiting the una children. Waiting now, as now grow up now, say una for fee enter. They work every month, money go they enter in hand. The roads go they well organized, tied, and light go they. So that things go they work well. These people don't sell everything through. At the end, una come they see all these people now. Because I say they don't decide politics, as they sell finish. As they don't sell the land finish, they go enter politics. They go enter one position. Make una begin check all of them. Check all these people. Wherever they make una begin check them. Youth, and they talk to una where you grow, now where you go to disturb Acatarians, where you buy land for una community. Una where you go to disturb that man, that woman, that market woman, where you buy land for una community. And then open una eyes, now make una see where una focus, una problem. People will hold una destiny. People will hold una money. Wey be say una money wanna take survive, wanna take become better person. People wey hold am, now them be all those ones. Make una begin check them. Forget about say now so police come near and so this. When una team together, una they ask the right question, una they fight the right fight. I tell you, una go see say una police go shut up and many things go work well for una. So it's hard time una start to dey look straight. Not for you people to they take action or go to take action on the other way around to people that are not supposed to. Hold these people. Now be their enemy. Now they sell on chairman, vice chairman, secretary, all their names, una know them. If una not know them, una begin go check, begin ask questions. Una go know people who sell on land, people who destroy our destiny. These are the people to hold accountable. They might want to feel now, act like say they be innocent, or they not call for you that time. Which call for you? My brothers and sisters, I dey remind you now. They sell that land that time. You hear say that when they sell that land, na 7,000 naira, na 10,000 naira, na 100,000 naira, na 10,000, na 10 million, na 5 million. Go check the land now. It's not 20 billion. It's not 100 million. It's not 50 million. It's not important. Convert that 100 million to during that time when they sell land. They are the same thing. Even that time better pass. So if since they not feel invest on that time when they take sell land, you feel hold 1 point something million. Even during just year 2000, 1999, 1970, 1997, 1998, 1999, you go hold 1 million. You go build two flat, complete, well furnished. So that time. Now, hold 10 million, you know if you build two flat. You know if you build them. You accept say you want just do baka, or cut and nail, finish. So, now the same thing. So, that time, to say that if you put that 100 naira into business, into build something, wait for now. They forget better thing with the grant now. So they are the people you're supposed to hold accountable. Not look and say you don't hear, say they don't sell land where that chairman for sell land. Now that land, that time where you sell 10 million, they don't sell land for 100 million. That's supposed not to be una concern. Hold the chairman accountable. Now he hold una money, now he hold una destiny, now he destroy una destiny. These are the people to hold accountable, not the people who buy or who want to come develop. Now, what I tell una, I take God beg una, because una go do all these things, so if you check them, now hungry, now beat una. Now they do what una they do so. With the people where be say they buy the land, where they abroad, where they still buy the land, where hunger go still be there. Una go see how, una not say how the thing go come get as it be. Everybody pack come house, come begin, say yes. Make we come collect our thing. Una not say na problem. Na problem for everybody. Everybody go they run enter scatter. So for make it not get to that, make una focus on who thief una, who sell una for future, who sell those land, those days, those vice chairman, the other Iran boys. Make una hold them accountable. Somebody, if una go check them where, if mama and papa not get up to two plots of land. But they sell 50 plots of land, all in the name of saying I be chairman. Waiting chairman me. Chairman me say he bring land come from heaven. Chairman or he me say more in short, now he can't get the whole land. He no get me say he no get bring land come from heaven. Now he can't get the land. Where he won't reach, he go remove his hand there. The other one, when they grow, he no get and John with it, they get where they do reach. Person where they the village where don't get plot 9 plot. He no get not the interfere. So now so life be. Where all these ones for come learn, say, because say they don't be chairman, they don't become a youth, this, that, or really. So they get out to sell more than 10 lands. Sell lands anyhow they like. I think makes sense. You are selling children's future. Those children, those boys where small, those children where they look where the job boy where small now. You just say they're not will grow. What did those children will come do? Where they going back on? Which land they can go farm on? Which land they will come see, say, yes, tomorrow maybe we think of one thing, say, maybe government will come invest something here where they go benefit them. Where? Or maybe people will travel outside the country will come invest something where they go benefit them. Which land they will come do? Where they will come open? So I take God beg una. Issues of, maybe they come they argue, unnecessary argue, and una they carry the youth, they carry confusion and go they hurt developers. It does not make sense. It does not make sense at all. It's wrong. I don't want anybody to come and media come decide any of them. They should go back and give back to whatever they want to give back to, or resolve the issue. Maybe they go settle those youth by themselves. It's not concern people, the people who buy land. It's not supposed to be any problem with them. Who buy land, if you want dash people money, that one go be from his own mind. Not because of say that regime don't pass. Now my regime now. So you must do according to as I want. It does not make sense. I take God beg una. I take God beg una. Because I go repeat time again. Una see una self as a mozo, killer, everything now. People will bring the money, will suffer the money. If they can't come back, see, now don't useless their life for abroad. Una don't useless all their age, all the money they save. Una don't useless them. They can't come back home with frustration. I want you to think on mother, father, brother. Mother, talk to your children. Father, talk to your children. I want you, that brother, that sister, this guy man, make you by yourself think on. Put yourself in these people's shoes. If you wait first small before you don't grow now. Now as you don't grow now, you don't say and say that time where you buy the land. Now my senior brother or that guy will be chairman hand. Now it's not my turn. If now you, somebody can't do this thing to you, how will you feel? I want you to think unto yourself, put unto yourself, as you be now, you don't still grow now. You can't buy land finish. Tomorrow, other youth can't come. They can't come say that land where you buy. Maybe you go buy another for another community or even the same community. This land where you buy at that time. Now during una time, now you want to rebuy again. Maybe now they don't sell at 20 million. That time it was supposed to be 1 million. He can't tell you now, say can't pay 20 million. How will you feel? If somebody can't stand, tell you, say, drive all your workers, make your smith. Maybe this time you don't buy smith for 10,000, 10,000 naira. You can't buy by 100 bucks. They can't stand with cutlass, with gun, can't say make it waste. How will you feel? If you come here, maybe you there another place, you can't come, all the smith roti for grand, the wood, everything, even your workers, they use cutlass, because you can't go to spend money to treat those your workers. How will you feel? If we not begin ask ourselves all these questions, we will continue to repeat one thing. It's like you now, una be errant boys to politicians. You come out today. You know, say this man is very good. The Mr. A is good. He have all the qualification to govern your state and to make sure, say, he bring better thing to the land, to your state. Because of, say, Mr. B is an agbero, he's a criminal. He knows how to give, he know all the bad boys. He know how to give money to pay money to bad boys, to do every bad thing. He ready to go borrow any money from anywhere to give to bad boys, to make sure say they go thief ballot boys, to put in, to install him as the governor of the state. After they install and finish, street, he no go give you street light. He no go build hospital. He go build school, the school no go get meaning. He go do road, the road no go get meaning. He no go even talk about development, nothing. He own nana to come make money back for himself. After he don't make all this money finish, 8 years or 4 years go complete. He go come out. Hunger go beat you, beat all your family, turn you to become, you begin run enter desert, you run go abroad, or Ghana run go another Africa country. They go look for peanut. Then now, that person don't finish, he come out. Una drive, Mr. Ewe be good, una kill him, una send her to exile, una frustrate him, enough he come governor. Then after 8 years, you come back to your state, erosion go, they worry you. Light you no go get, water you no go get, school you no go get, nothing, hospital you no go get, no good, see person wey say go school, come and say he go feel even know how to do what he's supposed to do as a normal human being, because everything was not put in a proper way. He just come there, come dabaru, because he don't settle now, finish. Not be the same owner. Go enter the street, they suffer. The money where you take buy those motor, where you give una take buy motor, una not get road to drive and pass. Una not get light to take leave. Generator here and there, fuel, everything is on the high side. These people will always come to increase everything. Una not see today say how everything they cost, or because of una the same mistake. So the whole thing go reach everything. I want una to begin think back. How can we resolve all these things? It's now to begin to rob the same people we rob your father. We rob your people before. We rob you when you were a baby inside your mother's womb. These are the people to focus on. Make una put una hanger on them. Locate them everywhere they are. Then travel. Go and wait for them. They call the tell they say, settle us now. Before you do this now. Can't give us, can't do this, can't build this. Without that, we're not going to let you get peace. Then go build house for anywhere, more and locate them. These are supposed to be on our focus. Not focusing on the same people where they pass through the same pain as you, just as the police people and the soldiers today. You see soldier man, policeman go this road, the tax driver get, he want balance, he carry that motto, balance and carry. He want pay balance and carry, he want pay school fees, he want pay house rent, he want chop food, he want wear clothes, he want change pampers. Policeman are they not pay him. Oga at the top, they hide all the money, they collect the money where they're supposed to pay police, to build police station, to build police hostel, to build police school, to buy police motor, to give police solar power by themselves. The money they there for them. Where they're supposed to change uniform. Oga at the top, they seize them. Then policeman I can't carry a hanger, can't meet you with the street where they pass through the same thing, can't they task you. My brother, and I'm not saying all this will not be mistake. So it's hard time we focus on the right place and do the right thing for us to survive and to have a good nation. God bless you all as you listen and do the right thing. So as just as we not hold it, you don't by yourself see him. If somebody go back now, can't they carry your house now? Or can't they stand for your gate now, say you want to do renovation? They want can't they ask you for money? How will you feel? I want you to use your good heart or good person. Make una call all of una together. Find how una want go build factory, fabricas, companies, do road for the children so that make them see waiting on the work or they rely on. Because without that, una don't create problem for the whole citizen, for the whole Edo land. So this problem is big. When I was seeing that I say now, I just we be gamma, we be hard man, we are surviving. I want you to check on the problem we will not create. Now be waiting at those states. The whole Nigeria, the same thing. The problem we now create now be the same problem where everybody they face today. Not be the government, now be the mostly problem. Now with some enogi, some chips, now be the real problem. They could not begin to rectify these things. The whole thing when they always talk for this platform, where the problem start from. It is wrong that you are waiting. You want to go to build house from the top. It's impossible. Check the house where they build from the top for Lagos. Go check out. They say another contract they give. Now another person that they give. They know if they don't, they try to locate where the people they not see them. The real people where they build the real house. They want double cross them. They look for make we do back this thing. Good money cross money cross hand. Then go they give the wrong people. That's why they get that nonsense. Now even the owner now trap inside there. So the same thing now we just the face. We not think on the face on government. Well now be so the foundation now don't destroy. If the government come today, come they build all the go in vain, go down the drillage. So now know ourselves. Make una rectify ourselves. Settle all these boys so that make them begin reason where no say if person come, we want come governor, you want come chairman. If you don't get the criteria or you don't get the qualification, you not go vote for them. You not go allow them to come rule. And you go give them register. A book make it right and sign. Within 4 years, this is where you promise. So we don't want you to promise 100 things. We don't want you to promise 20 things. If now 5, you promise say you go give us better education. You promise say you go give us water. You promise say you go give us good road. If not just 3, make sure say you do one within these 4 years. We want to say the whole Edo State get all these things. If you not get them within this year, within 3 years, we don't drive you come out. So it's supposed to be on a focus, not be say una go collect from them. Just as now they go bribe police. Police will not bribe. You go here say if you carry case of land, go police station. Case of land not supposed to go police station. A Nigger and the chiefs now they're supposed to resolve all these things because also now don't spoil the whole thing. So chairman now, no gateway be say they born for the land since the beginning of the creation of Edo State. He go to take permission from one chairman. We be say maybe mama na wish that time mama na evil person or maybe he himself he an armed robber na evil person. You know then away the enter politician now. There must be evil people. There must be people will be say not even get anything for upstairs to offer. So now they always get position for Nigeria. Now that they get all those positions. So all these people now they will get position, come become chairman, come become a governor, come become look at this, look at the other one. They go there. And now they can't go give such people permission, say make them get power past traditional rulers. My brother, how the state go take survive? How will take get head or see road for such a place? How that community, how that land will fit take go in peace or take go where? Everything must be going backward. When it be saying a devil, person will not get anything for help. We not even get the land for in mind. Now he can't they talk what thing will happen for the land. How we will take survive? How that land will take survive? Now be the confusion we will get for the land. So it's hard time. Make una revise all these things and think of how to fix it from the bottom, not from the top. It does not make sense. God bless you as you understand and do the needful. That is my take, and I believe it is well with everybody that will do the right thing. You people, you that guy, you don't enter abroad now. He had to make €1. You they talk and say it's very difficult. But you were there selling all lands. Sazel Sakunokodi said you sell more than thousands lands. Oh boy, you too do. Bye-bye for now. Think somebody, they try to disturb this net.